Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pickled onions. First, select small, firm onions like pearl or shallots for the best texture and flavor. Next, prepare your pickling liquid by combining vinegar, water, salt, and sugar. Finally, ensure your jars and lids are thoroughly sterilized to prevent spoilage and ensure food safety. Once your onions are ready, whether sliced or whole, it's time to prepare the brine. Gently heat your vinegar, water, salt, and sugar mixture until everything is fully dissolved. This ensures a balanced flavor. Don't forget to infuse your brine with aromatic spices like peppercorns, mustard seeds, or a bay leaf for that extra layer of deliciousness. This step truly elevates your pickled onions. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY guides. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, making your home maintenance even easier. You can find the link for this amazing robot vacuum and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old filter removed, it's a good idea to quickly clean the inside of the air filter housing. Use a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.